morning, children. We are discussed about the first lesson, magnet. Okay, magnetism. Okay. Uh, do you know? Listen. The directive property of magnets has been used for centuries to find directions. The magnet are the magnets have two sides, no, uh, north pole and south pole. Okay, so these properties used to mm, find the direction. Around 800 years ago, the scientists discovered that a suspended lodestone stops in the north-south direction. The magnets are any time stand in the north and south side direction. Scientists use these lodestones to find directions. So the magnet are used to find out the directions. Okay. And the navigators of that country used to keep a piece of lodestone suspended in their boats, and during a storm or mist they used lodestone to locate direction, which place the ships or anything stand, that place or find out to use the magnet. Okay, this is ship. Okay, right. Okay, magnetic compass. A compass is a instrument which used in find direction. This is a magnetic compass. Okay, this compass is used to find out the directions. It mostly used to ships and airplanes. Okay, as a rule, maintainers as also carry a compass with them so that they do not lose their way in unknown places. Okay, so the unknown places, they do not lose their way in unknown places. This is a magnetic compass. Compass can magnetic needle. This have a magnetic needle and rotate easily. This is a magnetic needle. Listen. This is a magnetic needle. This is a magnetic needle. Okay, magnetic needle can rotate easily. This magnet needle rotate easily. This is this like a clock. You see the clock, time clock, no? That like the magnetic compass. Okay, the needles are rotating. So the marked end of the needle is the north pole and of the magnet. Can you use magnetic compass to find west direction? Ask your teacher. Help you is using magnetic compass. Okay, the compass, magnetic compass, already they stand in a north and south pole. The opposite sides are west and east directions. Easily you uh, find out the directions. Okay. Next one, properties of magnets. Attraction or repulsion. The magnet have two poles. Now magnet have two poles, south pole and north pole. South pole and north pole. The similar poles is not attract. For example, similar poles means this is a magnet. Okay, this side S, this side N. So another one magnet, this is another one magnet, this side S, this side N. Okay, this is similar poles, this is similar poles. This magnet is not attracted. Okay, this magnet is not attracted. Similar poles repel each other, repel. So unlike poles means these unlike poles means this. Listen, this one magnet, this side S, this side N. First magnet, attraction. You see the first picture, attraction. This side N, this side S. So attraction. Okay, then this side S, this side N. So attraction. This is here unlike poles. South pole, north pole. North pole, south pole. These are unlike poles. Okay, so next, repulsion. This is north pole, this side north pole, this side south pole, this side south pole. So repulsion. This is like poles. Like poles means same poles. Same poles repel each other. Unlike poles attract each other. Okay, What do you observe when do we magnets attract each other? What do you observe when the magnets the two magnets attract? You write this, okay? What do magnets repel each other? When the magnets are repel each other, you write it here, okay? Let us make a magnet. You make a magnet. Take a nail, a piece of iron and place it on a table. Now take a bar magnet. You take one bar magnet, place on its poles near one edge of the nail. Piece of iron and rub from one end of another without changing the direction. You do not change the directions of the pole of the magnet. Repeat the process 30 or 40 times, okay? Bring pin or some iron fillings near the nail. Piece of iron to check whether it has become a magnet, okay? The iron nails converted into magnet. You make a magnet, okay? Does the nail piece of attract pin iron fillings? Yes, the needle attract the iron fillings. If not, continue the same process some more time, okay? Right. Do magnets lose their properties? Yes, the magnet or lost their properties. When the magnet lost their property, first one, you properties if they are heated or dropped from a height of with a hammer, okay? You heated the magnet or lost their properties, okay? What's the properties of magnet? Attraction, okay? So that attraction and repulsion, so that properties are lost. Then next one, when heated, first one, when heated the magnetic properties are lost. Second one, when you dropped the magnet, the magnet are lost their properties. Then third one, when you hammered the magnetic properties are lost, okay? These three ways the magnetic properties are lost in the magnet, okay? Magnets lost their properties when they are placed near cell phone, computer, DVDs. These objects also get affected by magnetic field. So the magnetic field affected these computers and DVDs, cell phones. These are the things are affected by magnetic field, okay? So today homework, first question, what are the two types of poles? What are the two types of poles? What are the two types of poles? Second question, what are the properties of magnets? What are the properties of magnets? Okay. And what are the properties of magnet? Attraction, repulsion, these magnets. Okay. These are the properties of magnet. Next question. Do magnets lose their properties? When do magnets lose their properties? Okay. When do magnets lose their properties? These 3 points. When heated, when dropped, when harmed, the magnets are lost their properties. These 3 questions you want to write and send it to a class teacher. Okay. Okay.